Hi guys, I'm back again today with another reaction video, and we're reacting to Masked Arab, and he's back with another Omegle racist people roast. Well, before we start, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell button to get notified whenever I do upload a video. So guys, let's check this out. I'm so intrigued. I always love these videos because people's reactions are always crazy. And yeah.
Hi, my name is Winston. I'm 17 years old. Did I mention to you that?
So true. Hey, intro.
What's up?
Habibi, hey, you be bombing places?
Were you bombing toilets?
Hell yeah. Yesterday I did.
Yeah.
Pakistan, blow you up.
Oh my god, James Charles from the dollar store is making jokes? Don't be making jokes, James Charles. Well, didn't like it, I guess.
Bitch, you look like a fucking picnic.
He looked like a chihuahua, bitch.
Oh my gosh, that was so left field. Like we didn't see it coming, right? We didn't see his comeback coming, and she looks so surprised right now. Oh, I love this. I'm sorry for loving this, but she deserves it, right? Like, if you're gonna dish out, you make sure you know how to receive as well. It's a give and take kind of world, okay? You cannot be biased. It has to be equal. You said you want equal rights. Here we have it.
I didn't like it, I guess.
Bitch, you look like a fucking picnic.
He looked like a chihuahua, bitch.
Oh my god, it's a terrorist.
Oh my god, it's the... I don't know, bro, you kinda look like that animal from Ice Age, not gonna lie. And your hairline is kind of receding, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, I haven't took a shower, so...
Yeah, and you haven't took a shower. Come on, bro. Don't you have better things to be doing instead of calling me a terrorist?
No.
Go take a shower, man.
Yo, you play Call of Duty?
In real life, yeah?
Yo, what?
What's up?
You look like you finna blow something up.
Yeah? Yeah, I'm about to blow.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh, scared?
Okay, she's gonna next.
Kaboom, kaboom. Where are you from, man?
You made the right stereotype, so you're supposed to know where I'm from, you know?
What are we laughing at?
No, bro, I'm sorry,
Haram.
bro. I'm into my Muslim queens, bro. Come on.
No kiss before marriage.
What's up, Grandpa?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Yeah, I do. Even though you got no teeth, but I do.
Oh!
Okay, I kind of feel bad for that one, not gonna lie.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, my friend?
I have one thing. Can you say it for me?
What, is it PUBG Mobile?
PUBG Mobile.
Yes, sir.
I knew it, guys.
What up? Oh shit, he finna blow our country up.
No. Oh god.
Okay, why he skipped though? Come on, like I had the McDonald's joke already. Oh my god, these cowards, bro.
Are you about to bomb someplace?
Yeah.
What? North America? South America?
Oh, his address. Yeah.
Huh?
Discord mod, what's up?
Not much, man. You doing alright?
Bro, you're literally like final boss Discord mod.
Oh wow.
Hey, come on, my friend. Come on, my friend. Why would you say that? Well, listen, my friend. Keep the racial stereotypes, my friend. How about that? I wouldn't make a joke about, like, I don't know, maybe. I wouldn't call you noodlehead. Come on, my friend. That you made me upset. Listen, man, my friend. Come on, bro.
I'm sorry. I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
wow.
Please be safe, bro. Have an amazing fucking day.
Be safe too, cause if I come around.
No. No.
Oh God, I'm fucking.
Yeah, he got really scared. What's up, brothers? Hey,
What's
come
up?
on,
Go
bro.
back. Go back to Russia where you came from.
Russia, bro.
Get your geography right. Or your cultural racist reference right, people. But you're not far off. I'm just kidding.
What's up? Go back. Go back to Russia where you came from.
Russia, bro. Come on. Holy American moment. What the? Russia? Me? Russia? Bro, what in the American geography? Come on, bro. Yo, Einstein, what are you doing here?
Oh.
That was Einstein, guys.
Hey, are you Muslim?
Yeah.
Allahu Akbar.
Bro, how are you so funny though?
Wait, you know Joe? Wait, you know Joe?
What the hell is Joe?
Bro,
Mama.
bro, it's 2022, bro. Lame, bro, get the hell out of here, lame. I don't even want to talk. This guy's making Joe Mama jokes in 2022.
Took me a while to
What
get it though.
the fuck? This is the best case that smoking is bad for you. This right here, I mean, look at this. How old are you? Smoking aged you by like 20 years.
I'm older now.
What?
I was gonna say a lot of things, but you know what? Do you, boo boo, okay? Do you. Do you. But no.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Bro, I just saw an emo girl. Holy shit.
Okay.
What's up, my friend? How are you?
I'm not your friend, I'm black.
Should I say the other word then?
Let's do it. Do it, my boy. Do it. Hey, do it. If you don't do it, you're a pussy. Do it.
What's up, my neighbor?
No, neat.
No? What's that?
Neat.
The ninja.
Nope. Hey, say it, bro.
Neighbor?
Nope. Neat.
Hey, what?
Hey.
What's that, bro? I can't figure it out. It doesn't seem to be in my dictionary.
Hey, listen. You know what the fuck going on, so say it.
No, bro, I don't
Why
know.
not?
This guy is saying say it, and then when he does say it, you're gonna get mad. Like, why did you say it? And why are you so not friendly? He's like, hi, my friend. And you're like, I'm not your friend because I'm black. So why, if you're black, you cannot be friends with?
What's going on?
Why
What's
not?
going on?
You even making all these videos, right? So say it. Okay.
But I don't know.
Why did you leave?
What's up, bro?
I know you, bro. I
Oh.
see you on YouTube.
Love you, bro. Are you subscribed though? Let's go! With the bell on? Let's go! You guys have to subscribe with the bell on too.
I'm subscribed to the bell on, so
Yeah. Cool.
Don't go
That's
through
nobody cares,
airline
Ricky.
security.
Oh damn. Okay.
Hell no.
Hell no to you.
Damn! I never saw that before.
How does he do that? The first one.
Yo. My man is wasting his lifespan to impress me. I like it.
I'm a female.
Oh no.
Buddy, but I probably have bigger guns
Oh, damn! You are...
True, girl, true.
But that's enough internet for today, not gonna lie.
Bigger guns than Must Singer. Did I
What's
say
up?
Must Singer? Well, you can join Must Singer. Must Arab.
What the hell, boy?
What's up?
bro.
What's up, bro?
Where you at, man? Where you at?
Bro, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna pull up or something? Don't pull out the knife, Kyle. Don't pull out the knife, Kyle. You go to a private school?
No,
Don't lie.
I don't. I'm poor. On God.
Bro, don't lie. I know you go to a private school.
I go to the public.
Are you telling me you're poor?
Yes,
Is that AirPods 3 or AirPods 1?
it's the first one.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, you're poor.
I don't have earpods, so
Yeah.
I'm like peasant level.
Damn, Dr. Eggman!
Dr. Edmund.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro. I was just kidding,
No,
bro.
it's okay.
I was just kidding.
No, dude, I can
like
handle
him.
jokes, dude. I'm a comedian, man.
Oh.
I love it.
A
That's
few
nice.
moments
Oh
later.
no, he was
Oh, bro. Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he said he can handle it. I think that was just a joke though. But anyways, that was so funny. But I don't know why it's super short today. Maybe people are getting to know him a little bit more on Omegle, so it's harder to find like new people to kind of like have this back and forth stuff, right? Because most people recognize him. Hey, you're the YouTube guy. So anyways, that was really funny. There's a lot of people there that were more like, how do you say, they were more open compared to the previous people, right, who were super just straight up racist. This one was more like joking and like just dishing out roast, but they were also willing to accept as well. So that was interesting. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.